In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a hanging indent for an MLA Works Cited page using Google Docs. This is a crucial formatting feature often required in academic writing, ensuring your citations appear neat and consistent. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account details to gain access. Once you're in, either open an existing document where you've listed your Works Cited entries or start a new document to begin your formatting journey. Now, position your cursor at the beginning of the line where your Works Cited section starts. This is important because the hanging indent format will apply to the text following the cursor. With your cursor in place, head to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Align and Indent, which will prompt another set of options. Click on Indentation Options, and a new dialog box will open. In this Indentation Options dialog box, look for the section labeled Special Indent. Click the drop-down menu next to this label and select Hanging. By default, the hanging indent is set to 1/2 inch, which is the correct measurement according to MLA guidelines. If for any reason you need a different size, you can manually adjust it here. Once everything looks good, confirm by clicking the Apply button at the bottom of the dialog box. You should now see that your selected text automatically adjusts, with each line after the first line of your citation being indented. This creates that classic hanging indent appearance. Be sure to double-check each entry for indentation, as consistency is key to proper MLA formatting. A handy tip: if your document contains multiple entries, you can apply this formatting all at once. Simply highlight the entire Works Cited section before you start the hanging indent process, and it will apply uniformly to all selected text. Remember that spacing and indentation play a big role in readability, especially when dealing with different types of sources. That wraps up today's guide on creating hanging indents for MLA Works Cited pages in Google Docs. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure your document follows academic standards, making it much easier for readers to locate and reference your sources. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Google Docs tips and tricks. Happy formatting!